Hey, my name is Anna, and in March 2023, I quit my job to travel the world. After spending Christmas in Vietnam's capital city, Hanoi, I'm ready to set off on another adventure. In this episode, I travel to the Ha Giang province and join an unforgettable motorcycle tour through the stunning mountains of northern Vietnam. I'll take a river cruise near the Chinese border, drink plenty of happy water, and try my best not to fall off the back of a bike. Welcome to Ha Giang.
Okay, so we just got onto the bus. It's going to be about 8 hours to get to Ha Giang. First time on a sleeper bus. This is a very weird experience. We've got a little pocket for our feet to go with too. Feel a little claustrophobic with that, but that's okay. Hello and good morning from another beautiful day here in Vietnam. I've finally left Hanoi and now I'm doing the Ha Giang Loop. Last night we arrived at like 2 in the morning at our first hostel, and we're eating breakfast right now and we're about to start. This is where we were staying last night, in these little cabins here. It's a cute homestay. It's a nice little spot. We've got everything all ready to go and all packed up and got multiple layers on. Hopefully it's enough. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really nervous about this. I've barely ridden on scooters and motorcycles before, and this is a pretty dangerous road we're going on. Now granted, I'm not driving, so I don't have to worry about that part, but I'm still nervous. But I think we're gonna meet our drivers soon and get a lay of what we're doing today. Yeah, so check back in later.
We got our gear, met our guides, and soon it was time to hit the road.
Can't see very far, but this is really beautiful. Camera's not doing it justice. One person already fell off, so I'm a little nervous. And they were with an easy driver, so I'm a little nervous. The sun is finally out. Oh, it feels so good. And the clouds are starting to part so we can actually see the mountains. We just had a really great lunch. I honestly could have eaten like twice as much. But I think we're gonna get on the bikes now, head over through the mountains to this village. I think that's the one that we're spending the night at. I'm not entirely sure, but it's so much warmer now. I think I'm gonna take off some of these layers, but yeah, excited to keep going. Hi! This is my driver.
Eventually, we made it to the little village that we would be staying at for the night.
Okay, this is the accommodation for the night. I don't know who I'm going to be roomies with, but I'm choosing this one, and it's just this all the way down. Oh, this one's like a large room. That drive was incredible. So we checked into the hostel, and now we've gone on a little excursion down to a waterfall. Some people are going to be actually getting in the water. I am not one of those people, but it's nice to actually use my legs for a little while today. Also, if you hear something, there's like some karaoke going on back at the check-in point for this waterfall.
Ah, you just want to.
Aber ich finde, das Mittagessen heute sah geiler aus.
Was? Die Pommes, die Reis auch.
Ketchup. Oh God.
Are you ready?
Yes!
Anh em ơi! Một, hai, ba, rô!
Một, hai, ba, rô!
Hai, ba, rô!
Hai, ba, rô!
Hai, ba, uống!
Hai, ba, uống! Cheers! Cheers! Oh, guys, oh no!
Hello and good morning from another beautiful day here on the Ha Giang Loop. Today the weather is perfect. It's just a little bit cold, but mostly I think I'm going to be taking all these layers off, honestly. So we've got a full day of driving. We're going on. I'm all strapped in, ready to go. Had a really great night with people at the guest house last night. We had some happy water and hung out and did karaoke. It was the best. Ready?
Yeah.
just stopped to get a cup of coffee in this gorgeous spot. It's really a blessing that I got sick last week and wasn't able to do the original plan, the original trip, because it was so cold. It's really nice here right now. Honestly, I don't even need all of these layers. I'm just wearing them. After coffee, I think we're gonna drive a little bit more to get to our lunch spot, and then we're doing the more dangerous section, which super excited for that. Okay, the section we're about to do is supposed to be very bumpy, very dusty. So I don't think I'm gonna film that part. Like, it's so bad that they gave us masks to wear. So I'll check back in after we finish that part. Okay, we're not done, but that part we were just in was fucking terrifying. Like, right on the side of the mountain. Dust, rocks, dirt, traffic. Whoo! I'm shaking, and now I have to get back on the bike. Okay, last day, day 3. Let's go. We've stopped at this old palace. I cannot get over how gorgeous it is here. It's so pretty. And the weather's so nice today. Oh my gosh, and with that, we are back at the first homestay. I just said goodbye to my driver, and as per usual, I got attached, so I got a little teary-eyed. He's such a sweet guy. Okay, we are back in Hanoi just in time for New Year's Eve. It's around 7 o'clock right now. I'm gonna go back to Central Backpackers in a bit, but I'm gonna go get some dinner first, then meet up with people, go to a rooftop bar. It's gonna be great. Dinner ended up being pretty good. It's very crowded out here. Considering Vietnam doesn't actually celebrate New Year tonight, I'm a little surprised, but it's also a touristy destination. I'm gonna go buy some soju, do some pre-gaming beforehand. Hopefully that'll be enough, and then we'll go on an adventure. Yeah, I hope you can hear how crowded it is. Crazy.
That's it for this episode. Join me next time as I travel to Cat Ba Island and visit the iconic Ha Long Bay. And as always, be sure to hit that subscribe button to follow along for more adventures. Thanks for watching.